Welcome to 71 Margaret Ave in Kitchener. We've got a 2.5-story home in the Central District with plenty of opportunity for you. Let me show you inside. This is a century home with a center hall floor plan. I'm going to let the camera take you through the main floor. To the second floor. This could become your den, and for an added bonus, you've got an outdoor terrace. And up just a few steps, you'll find all the bedrooms and a pair of bathrooms. We've got more development opportunity up here. This is the third floor loft. To express interest in this property, find me, Bev Hepburn, Coldwell Banker, Peter Benninger Realty, and you can find me at bevhepburn.com.